Hi, it's Tim from Toy Tinker Tim, and I've put together an episode here with some very cool vintage Hasbro Adventure Team G.I. Joe commercials. So some of these figures are the ones I grew up with as a kid, and they're my favorites out of the various toy lines and toys that I have. And the commercials are pretty awesome. So they're all from the 70s. They're available public, free access. It's through an internet archive. You can download them, just watch them, stream them, whatever. They have some other makers, other toy commercials and things like that. So I'll have that link below, so you can go check that out there too. So if you haven't subscribed yet to Toy Tinker Tim, just click it. Subscribe now, even hit the notifications so you can find out when I do have some new episodes like this one coming up on here. So as always, thanks for watching and have fun. Just enjoy it.
Here's the G.I. Joe mobile support vehicle, and your Joe's in the driver's seat. Today's mission, a radioactive satellite is down and must be found. Quickly, you activate the radar scope and searchlight and launch the aerial camera. There's the satellite. No time to lose. So you move Joe out in the scout car. Will Joe get there in time? Create your own adventures with the G.I. Joe mobile support vehicle. G.I. Joe sold separately. This is the rugged new G.I. Joe adventure team. At dawn, G.I. Joe heads out across the desert in search of a mysterious missing mummy. Suddenly, an earthquake. No time to lose. Joe must get the mummy out. Can G.I. Joe win his race against time? Find out in The Secret of the Mummy's Tomb, one of the exciting G.I. Joe adventure team sets. G.I. Joe, now with lifelike hair from Hasbro. And here is G.I. Joe with Kung Fu Grip. G.I. Joe has hands that grip. Fingers you hold open and let close. Hands that hold on with the Kung Fu Grip. The grip you help Joe use in self-defense. G.I. Joe with Kung Fu Grip. The hands that grip. Imagine, can your G.I. Joe make the adventure team? You can find out at the training center. You climb Joe up the tower, send him down the easy way and the hard. You put Joe through the rugged obstacle course. Uh-oh, he's face to face with a giant snake. Looks like it's ready to strike. And from out of nowhere comes help. The training center's tough, but with your help, Joe can make it. The new G.I. Joe Training Center Adventure, complete with 3-foot-high tower you assemble. From all over the neighborhood, adventure team members and equipment arrive for the opening of G.I. Joe headquarters. Flash, a radio message from the tower. Adventure team member caught in quicksand. Get the maps. Here's the location. Get going, Joe, and good luck. Back in the tower, Joe signals, help on the way. We'll help get there in time. Create your own adventures. G.I. Joe Adventure Team Headquarters. G.I. Joes and ATVs sold separately. This is Troubleshooter, a communications terrain vehicle. Batteries not included. Code X7.
G.I. Joe in danger.
Want more information?
Emergency at Spy Island. Send help.
And troubleshooters on the way. But suddenly, a giant bird attacks G.I. Joe. You react quickly and grab the bird with Joe's Kung Fu Grip. Now on to more adventure in Fate of the Troubleshooter. Fate of the Troubleshooter and G.I. Joe with Kung Fu Grip, sold separately. There are 50 adventures for G.I. Joe. There are 50 adventures for your G.I. Joe with Kung Fu Grip, each sold separately. Here are 3. You can take Joe on patrol with Sandstorm Survival. And that's Joe with Secret Mission to Spy Island. Assemble Devil of the Deep and you can take Joe on a search for danger. There are 50 adventures for G.I. Joe. Devil of the Deep comes with everything you see here. G.I. Joe with Kung Fu Grip, G.I. Joe adventure sets and equipment each sold separately. Introducing the new G.I. Joe Adventure Team. 5 rugged men with lifelike hair. They're outfitted for action, and they take their orders from this man, the Adventure Team Commander.
I've got a tough assignment for you.
The G.I. Joe Adventure Team. They'll dare anything and risk everything. Collect the new G.I. Joe Adventure Team and add to the action with Adventure Team sets. G.I. Joe, now with lifelike hair from Hasbro.